Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and we are picking a winner. We're picking a winner. We have 5 of you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who is it going to be this time? 5. And the canvas is Clover Fariy. She's so cute and very green. She'd be a great St. Patrick's Day canvas. Now, before we go on, there are 2 canvases that are going to be released today. So one at 8 o'clock and one at 10 o'clock. So you might want to stay tuned so you can figure out which one you want. And there's a reason why I'm doing the second one, and it will be obvious when you see it. So this wheel's been gradually spinning. So let's see. All right, I hate this thing. Hopefully, hold on, let me check the... Okay, all right. It should make noise. All right, you ready? Okay, hold on. I hate this. Oh, there we go. Who is it? Number 4. Bling, 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 bling. Number 4. Cynthia V. Congratulations. Email me if you still want the canvas. Okay? Just email me. You will have to pay shipping. So let me know. pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com, and let me know if you're still interested. Cynthia V. I'm Pampered with Diamonds. I like it a lot. And be kind to everyone.